Well, dear students, 10th group, here I am Shashwat Chaudhary, your English faculty in front of you. Let's continue with the part, that one, this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Unit 4, Tropes, as per your syllabus. So we are running through this. Page 74, think about the text. Question 6, Nehru chose Dr. Ambedkar as the law minister. What might have prompted Nehru to do so? Why? What thing actually Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of India, why he was so much attracted that he thought and selected Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the law minister? Jawaharlal Nehru chose Dr. Ambedkar to be the first law minister of independent India after 1947, 15th August independence, when Jawaharlal Nehru got the throne of India as the Prime Minister of India. That time he selected Dr. Ambedkar as the first law minister in independent India. This was a recognition of Dr. Ambedkar's skills in the field of law and legislation, as also a tribute to his vision of social justice. Seventh question. What made Dr. Ambedkar describe the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation, satyagraha as a grammar of anarchy? Baba Sahib Ambedkar always stressed the importance of constitutional methods to achieve social objectives. Once Dr. Ambedkar described the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha as the grammar of anarchy. It is one thing to utilize these methods in a struggle against an alien power. Means any foreign country, today also, suddenly any foreign country attack India. So you should know how to save yourself. You are Indian citizen, our soldiers are marching forward, our lieutenant colonels, all the military officers, naval officers, the Air Force officers, including their full team, they are ready to sacrifice their life. They are ready for that. They are ready to die for motherland India. So you as an Indian citizen, you can't sleep at home continuously. You should know everything. That's why it is one thing to utilize these methods in a struggle against an alien power. Now number 8. How did Dr. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi try to wipe out, means washed out, caste discrimination from India? India is a country, all states are suffering owing to caste discrimination. See, all are human beings first and human beings last. Blood is red everywhere. Religion wise, if you say, lots of religions are there: Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism, Muslim, Christian, so many things. But human beings, humanity is the main thing. So we should pray to God or any almighty power, XYZ, one power is there. So we should pray for humanity so that we can show our gratitude to Mother Earth by saving the life of human beings, by saving and doing some good works for all the living beings and animals, birds, etc., etc. So in which way Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Sahib Ambedkar wanted to wash away, wipe out caste discrimination in India. Sometimes some workers, they are coming to our house, they are helping us. Okay, they are doing utensils cleaning, floor cleaning, garden cleaning, roof cleaning, so many works. But this way, so many other works also. But washing clothes, etc., etc. We have to think first, they are also human beings. That is the idea and concept of a good Indian citizen. So you are my students 10th group. I want 10th you should become big officers in India and abroad, and your mentality should be like that. You should treat everybody with good and kind heart. Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Saheb Ambedkar to repudiate means to wipe out. You can make this one to wipe out, this one to wipe, W-I-P-E, wipe out, washed away, wipe out, cast, and to proclaim. How about to claim? Proclaim, that is claiming. What? The oneness of the Hindu community. Gandhiji did so by reminding the higher caste of their duty towards the depressed classes. Baba Saheb Ambedkar did the same by reminding them of their inherent rights to equality with the higher and more powerful caste. So, accordingly, the good leader, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he always wanted good for the Indian citizens. So, as the first law minister, he had done a lot of works. And though from different nations, our drafted constitution, and he was the leader of the drafting committee with other members, still he had suggested so many things. But in our Indian constitution, what happened, article wise, if you read, plus everywhere given, and if anyone negatively going to put you in trouble, you can find out the root from there as per law and order if you are correct. So these are the things. Now, 9th question. Discuss with your friends and complete the web chart given below. Our Ambedkar became voracious leader, struggle for upliftment, so on. So, I think students, you will write something, some words about Dr. Ambedkar. Read the textbook, few points you underline, collect few good words, few sentences, and then make the notes. Write in your notebook. Well, students, now come to the point. Please open page number 79, that is our learning grammar. I am giving the sketch ideas, and I hope my students are enough intellectual, 10th group, you can able to go through it. Continuously keep on reading all textbook, previous lessons, attachment, notes, everything. Light grammar through communication, page 79, 10th group. See, here are some sentences. Combine them with the linkers. So linkers already given. Clues given. It rained heavily. We reached home in time. Thou, T-H-O-U-G-H. Thou. Though it rained heavily, comma, we reached home in time. There is shortage of water. Some people are wasting it, wasting it unthinkingly. Although there is shortage of water, some people are wasting it unthinkingly. There was heavy traffic. We were delayed. Since there was heavy traffic, comma, we were delayed. Next one. The students played for an hour. They attended to their studies later on. The students played for an hour and THE and then. Clues given, linkers given. According to the linkers, you have to join the two sentences and it should be meaningful and correct, and then full stop. Starting with the caps, capital letter, ending with full stop. Two things are important, otherwise examiner will give you ZARO in Karnataka state. I am telling you, be careful. Punctuation marks must in writing English, and according to punctuation marks, pronunciation will be correct. The students played for an hour and then they attended to their studies later on. We expected a difficult question paper. The questions asked in the examination were easy. We expect a difficult question paper, but the questions asked in the examination were easy. Full stop. The flight was delayed. The weather was cloudy. The flight was delayed as the weather was cloudy. The student scored less marks because he had not studied properly. So these are all the linkers in this type of things in SSLC board question paper also you will get, and I hope so, my dear students. 10th board, handwriting, correct punctuation marks, capital letter, everything should be perfect, handwriting should be perfect. Only I think blue color during examination time. Final exam, notes making blue and black. Final exam only with blue color, and you have to score high percentage of marks. Similarly, syllabification, you see page number 79, consonant, father, college, paper, conversation, little, L-I-T hyphen, small dash, little. This is important. You have to break and spell, then pronounce. Already I taught you these things. Similarly, according to dictionary, probability, determination, accept, AC, small dash, CAPT, accept, reflection, conscience, idea. So you have to spell, break the spelling and then pronounce. These all things, dictionary work, make reference, syllabification, all the syllables, how many syllables, 1 syllable, 2 syllable words, these are all important for SSLC question paper. 1 1 2 2, 1 1 1 1 1 1, 2 2 2 2. This type of marks will come. You have to score there 100% full marks. Now in this way, I hope so you can able to go through it. So get ready, 10th student. My next program will be, next video we will start shortly. Page 81, The Song of India, poem by V.K. Gokak. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Salute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and read it neatly, make notes. God bless you.